风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes music from the Hakka sister duo known as Tong Wen-chen. Now, their song here, Story of Our Life, or Tong Wen-chen Gekko, represents their journey of facing the future hand in hand, showing off their complementary personalities. Just like the sun and moon, they bring both warmth and stability through their music. Let's take a listen to this song.
两山相冲，冲一条老野公，公就在海面上，心思有你躺爱公，抖抖手拉手你抖，我要和你手拉手。假使有梦出爱情妙境，抖抖手拉手你抖，世界残酷也温柔，才让我们才唱 and they will get go， 爱唱哇哇哇哇哦哦，你唱耶耶耶耶耶，让风吹。
这是来自新竹关系的客家姐妹花所带的歌曲，她们叫做同温层二重唱，而这首歌就叫做同温层的歌同温层 Gekko。很显然的，她们用这个谐音非常可爱的来介绍她们姐妹的故事。我们来继续收听。
两山相冲，冲一条老野公，公就在海面上。心思有你躺爱公，抖抖手拉手你抖。
好轻快的一首歌曲哦！这首歌《同温层 Gekko》象征着这姐妹花两个人呢手牵手迎向未来，一起去追逐自己的梦想，永不放弃。在个性上呢，他们两人是递补的形态，同时合在一起又可以完全的互补，毫无违和感，就像太阳和月亮同时在一起，给予温暖，也给予沉稳。It's the sisters of Tong Wen-chen. Hope you enjoyed the song. I am Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.